How to download First Bank account statement. In order to download First Bank account statement, the first thing that you can do is you can use the First online banking, right? So go to firstbanknigeria.com, which is the official website. I'll make sure to drop a link in the description box below. Then tap on the login button from the top right hand side, then tap on personal login. Then over there, log in using your credentials like your username, account number, and your password. Then tap the login button. Once you're logged into their online banking, just tap on the accounts tab. Then from the accounts tab, select the download statement option. The other way you can also download is through the FirstMobile banking application. So First Bank mobile app, tap on activate and log into your mobile banking. Then from there you can select accounts and select download statements to download or print those statements. And this way you will be able to go ahead and then download your statements on First Bank of Nigeria. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching. To subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.